Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Honda CMX500 Rebel. It's an interesting bike this. It's a 471cc parallel twin. It's derived from the CB500 engine, different state of tune. 47 horsepower, so A2 friendly for those of you on an A2 license. And this is somewhere in the region of a power cruiser or a street cruiser. It doesn't have a particularly foot-forward riding position. It's got a very low seat height, but it's somewhere between like a street cruiser, street rod, that sort of thing. It's a fantastic bike, really great fun to ride, very low seat height, so good for those of us with a shorter inner leg, let's say. This particular one is quite unique. So this is a 2021 bike. It's used, but it's done 7 miles. So that would be the pre-delivery inspection miles. It's never been ridden in anger by its one owner. So for all intensive purposes, this is a brand spanking new bike and the condition reflects that. So let's start at the front. Bike's finished in matte black, as you can see from the hugger. There is a metallic flake in there as well. It's more of a satin finish than matte, which is good for cleaning. Just a single disc on this bike. It's quite lightweight and it doesn't need a great deal of stopping power, so no need for the twin discs. It looks quite cool because of it though. Just under 300 millimeters and a massive Nissan 2-pot brake on the front. So loads of stopping power, as you'd expect. Big old chunky Dunlop tyres. Again, 7 miles from new, so we don't need to say too much about that. The front end, you can see you've got the gaiters on there and you've got a radiator protector as well as standard, and the exhaust is actually painted matte black with heat resistant paint. This particular one is a facelift model, so one of the things you'll notice with this is that it's got different front indicators from the early model, and it's got a LED headlight as well, which looks really, really cool, very retro I have to say. There's a couple of different finishes on this, so the headlight surround is almost like a matte finish, but the actual paint on the tank is more of a satin finish, and all of these contrasting blacks I think look really, really cool. The other thing that they changed slightly on this model was the seat. So you can see you've got this cross-stitch seat, which I think looks really, really cool. It's a twin rear shock, so really robust back end, which is what you need on UK roads. And also you've got some engine case protectors as well. Hard to see, but they are these things just here. They prevent any damage if you were to drop the bike. Fantastic bit of kit, as you can see, absolutely immaculate, totally standard. Registered on a 21 plate, one owner from new. Obviously it comes with all of the original manuals, it comes with the owner's booklet, the service history, 2 keys, everything you'd expect for a brand new bike, but without the price tag. Around this side it's very much the same, minus a brake disc on the front. As you can see, everything is immaculate. The bike does have an Optimate charge lead fitted to it, so you can keep it on charge over winter. Everything, chains, sprockets, brakes, everything is brand new, as you'd expect. Side mounted key, as it should be for a cruiser or a custom. Bike's fitted with Oxford heated grips, probably the only brand that we would recommend fitting. These are the proper cruiser ones, so they've got a thicker grip to them. Really, really good bit of kit that. They're sensitive to the ignition being turned on and off, so you're not in any danger of leaving those on and walking away from the bike. Retro dials, very simple, all the information you need. You've got your gear position here, got your speed, you've got a fuel gauge, clock, and then obviously there you can see 7 miles from new. Let's give it a start up for you. It's a lovely sounding engine, very quiet. Some people do like the aftermarket exhaust for them, but as I say, this one is standard apart from the bits I've already mentioned. So this bike will come with the remainder of Honda's warranty. We also put an independent 3-month warranty on, free UK delivery as well. We offer finance and part exchange. If those are things that you're interested in, or you've got any questions about the bike, please feel free to reach out. We're on WhatsApp, we've got live chat, we've got all the social medias. Of course, you can come into the showroom for a look, or you can give us a call for a chat. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.